Welcome to Aspen, a ski town, a race town. A place brought to life by miners, mountaineers, soldiers, and visionaries. Roche Run was one of our first, accessed by boot pack, then boat tow, and eventually, in 1947, the world's longest chairlift, Lift 1. And today, our gleaming silver trophy, the Roche Cup, remains one of the most coveted in the world. Because for as long as there's been skiing on this mountain, there's been ski racing. Thousands of racers have laid their edges into the dreams these slopes promise. Grit, glory, and the hope of chiseling their name onto the list of legends. It was here that Olympian Bill Johnson became the namesake for America's downhill in 1984. Here, Ingemar Stenmark earned his 86th victory in 1988, the most wins ever at the time. Until America's Mikaela Shiffrin came along. Here in 2017, Shiffrin became the first U.S. racer to claim an overall World Cup season title on American soil. And then in 2023, she broke Stenmark's record for the most wins in ski racing history.
So she's made up some more time, and Mikaela Shiffrin just getting through the final few gates here is indeed gonna sweep the slalom here in Aspen, and this margin of victory better than 2.5 seconds.
Ski racing legends across all 4 disciplines, each distinct, have left their unique mark on our mountain. Slalom, a frenetic dance, rapid fire movements made by racers who are punching, tap dancing through each turn and each gate. Giant slalom, speed and precision, technical prowess and edge control meet the ragged boundary of gravity and flow. Super G, with the sweeping turns at high speed, athletes balance soaring velocity with calculated control. Then the downhill. Testing focus with G-force as the longest and most dangerous discipline in alpine ski racing. Every run carving a deeper history on the town mountain we call Ajax. A history impossible without the commitment of this community, from staff and volunteers to spectators and, of course, the athletes. Going above and beyond, paying homage while paving the way. Aspen has always been and will always be a ski town, a race town.